Hello, kids. Are we ready for acquiring further knowledge? Yes. So, let us start. Can you see something here in this completely dark room? No. The reason is that we need light to see the objects. Now let's slowly lighten this room. Why are we able to see these objects in the room? The reason is that the light reaches us from these objects. Light from the source falls on the objects and travels to our eyes. And this light helps us to see the objects. Now, what is the source of light? Here it is tube light. Sources of light can be sun, tube light, torch, etc. As these objects give their light to us, or we can say they have their own light, so these objects are known as luminous objects. Can we now see the objects outside this window? No, we can't. But the question is why? It's because the light from outside of the window doesn't reach us. And these objects are known as opaque objects because they do not allow light to pass through them. Now children, let us study different types of objects depending upon the amount of light that passes through them. The first one is opaque objects. The objects that do not allow any light to pass through them, they are known as opaque objects, and we are not able to see through these objects. Now here you can see that no light passes through this opaque object and we are not able to see through this opaque object. Let us see the example. Here we have the apple which does not allow any light to pass through it. Now the next example is this wood. It also do not allow any light to pass through it. Children, you know that almost everything around us is opaque. Here are few more examples of opaque objects. Children, this window shutter blocked the light from entering the room. Such objects are opaque objects. Let us open this window shutter now. Can we see something now through this glass? Yes, we see the surroundings. And I am sure you know why. What has happened now is that it has a clear glass which allows all the light to pass through it and allowing us to see outside it clearly. Such objects that allow the light to pass through them and we can clearly see through them, they are called transparent objects. Let us study more. Now, what are transparent objects? The objects that allow all the light to pass through them and we can see through these objects clearly. They are transparent objects. Now, all light passes through this glass sheet. So, it is a transparent object and it also allows us to see everything clearly. Now let us see some more examples of transparent objects. First we have this bulb. Further we have the glass bottle and here it is water through which we can see clearly. Now here is the aquarium. These transparent objects allow us to see everything clearly. Now here are both opaque and transparent objects. Through opaque objects, we cannot see, but through transparent objects, we can see clearly. Now, children, look at this bookshelf, which has a milky glass. Are we able to see what's inside? Well, we can't see things clearly, but you do see something, right? You probably guess that books are kept inside. So, this milky glass allows light to pass through it, but partially. One can see some light passing through it. Let us study more about translucent objects. These objects allow little amount of light to pass through them. We are able to see through them, but partially. Now here you can see some light passes through this translucent object and we are not able to see clearly through it. So children, light may pass through these translucent objects, but the images on the other side of these objects are not clearly visible. Like here, the object on the other side is not clearly visible. Have a look at some other examples of translucent objects. Here it is greasing paper. Then we have butter paper. And further we have frosted glass sheet. These objects allow little amount of light to pass through them. Here you can see colored water in the glasses. They are also the examples of translucent objects. Now we can easily tell that transparent objects allow all the light to pass through them. Then translucent objects allow little amount of light to pass through them and opaque objects do not allow any light to pass through them. And we can also tell that we can see clearly through transparent objects, we can see partially through translucent objects, and we cannot see through opaque objects. Here are the examples of all these objects. Now in next video, we will do activity on shadows. Thank you children.